Hi, Frank here from the Istrian peninsula of Croatia. Today we're going to look at the beach town of Moscenicka Draga. So looking at my well-worn map of the Istrian peninsula right here, Moscenicka Draga would be located right here. So we're going to head down into the town of Moscenicka Draga right now. That's where they got the beach and all that. A good place to park is when you come into town. There's a roundabout right there. You come past the roundabout, you come this way and down inside here, and there's a parking area right down inside here. Because otherwise, parking can be really tough around this place. But I always find a spot right down inside there. And you just follow this roadway from the roundabout all the way down to the beach. This is a little bit later in the day. It's around 7:30, I think, so it's kind of a late swim for us, kind of an early evening swim. But usually this area here is all full of, tourist shops, souvenirs, things like that. And later on in the summer, this is pretty packed here. I mean, really almost shoulder to shoulder. And then, as you get to the bottom of the hill, it opens up into the where the beach is. Over here, it's a nice old port town. And then the beach spreads out this way. And they got some nice restaurants right along the beach there. Nice place to sit and eat or have a coffee. So, if you're looking for an early evening swim or something to eat afterwards, nice old town to walk around in, this is the place to come. Moscenicka Draga. It's kind of hard for me as an American to say Moscenicka Draga. It's a place to come.